Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the September to December 2024 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe an occasion when you helped a family member or relative with something. You should say when it happened, who you helped, how you helped, and explain how you felt about the experience. So let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. Helping and caring for others improves social interaction, distracts people from their own problems, as well as improves self esteem. And today, I would like to talk about a time when I assisted my mother in meal preparation in the 11th hour. So, as you all can see, we have given a little bit of an introduction where we are just mentioning what helping and caring for others do. It distracts you, that means takes your attention off your own problems, and it also improves self esteem. That means it gives you a feeling of pride that yes, I have done something good. Now, we have used an idiom here which is in the 11th hour, which means to do something in the last minute. Alright, so let's continue. I vividly remember that last year there was a function being held at my home and the cook did not show up due to some personal emergency, and my mother was struggling to cook meals for all the guests, and so I decided to aid her in making some of the traditional recipes. So did not show up means that the cook did not come, okay? Moreover, I was not very confident as I had never done such elaborate and large scale cooking, so I managed to watch some similar recipes on YouTube which demonstrated simple and easy methods to make the dishes. So elaborate means extensive, and large scale cooking here, that means when you're cooking for a lot of people. Demonstrated means showed. Additionally, I gathered all the ingredients and measured everything accurately as per the detailed instructions in the tutorials in combination with my mother's guidance, and made the authentic cuisines diligently in the pressurizing scenario. Diligently means accurately. Furthermore, I even presented the dishes with my unique and innovative style and arranged everything on the dining table. So, innovative means something that is new. Finally, the guests arrived and they all loved the authentic curry that I had cooked and even complimented me for the same. So, complimented means to give you positive comments. I felt like I was on cloud nine and was able to overcome the culinary fear that I possessed initially, and my mother expressed gratitude towards me and also appreciated my hard work and efforts in the pressing situation. So we have used an idiom here which is I was on cloud nine, which means to be very happy. So culinary means related to cooking. Overcome means to manage or to deal with something. Possessed means to have something. Gratitude means kindness, and pressing situation means difficult situation. Thank you for your time everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.